Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a trick for finding the least common multiple using Vedic Maths. LCM stands for least common multiple, the smallest positive number that is multiple of two or more given numbers, meaning it can be divided by each of those numbers without leaving a remainder. To find the LCM of numbers, we can use Vedic Sutra Vilkonam. Vilkonam means finding the solution simply by observation. Now I will explain how to find the LCM of numbers using the Sutra Vilkonam. Let's take an example. What is the LCM of 4 and 12? We observe that 12 is the greatest number and also a multiple of 4. Therefore, the LCM of 4 and 12 is 12. Let's take another example. What is the LCM of 7, 14 and 56? We observe that 56 is the greatest number and also a multiple of 7 and 14. Consider an example. What is the least common multiple of 5 and 11? In this case, 11 is prime number and the LCM of 5 and 11 is 55, which is 5 times 11. Let's take another example. What is the LCM of 8, 11 and 16? In this case, 11 is a prime number. We observe that 16 is the greatest number and also a multiple of 8. The LCM of 8, 11, 16 is 176, which is calculated as 16 times 11. Let's take another example. What is the LCM of 6 and 9? In this case, 9 is the greatest number. 9 is not multiple of 6. The second multiple of 9 is 18. 18 is multiple of 6. Therefore, 18 is the LCM of 6 and 9. What is the least common multiple of 4, 12 and 18? In this case, 18 is the greatest number. 18 is not a multiple of 4 and 12. The second multiple of 18 is 36. 36 is a multiple of 4 and 12. Therefore, 36 is the LCM of 4, 12 and 18. Let's take another example. What is the LCM of 27, 54 and 81? In this case, 81 is the greatest number. 81 is not multiple of 27 and 54. The second multiple of 81 is 162. 162 is a multiple of 27 and 54. Therefore, 162 is the LCM of 27, 54 and 81. Let's take another example. What is the least common multiple of 15, 18 and 30? In this case, 30 is the greatest number. 30 is multiple of 15. 30 is not a multiple of 18. The second multiple of 30 is 60. 60 is not a multiple of 18. The third multiple of 30 is 90. 90 is a multiple of 15, 18 and 30. Therefore, 90 is the LCM of 15, 18 and 30. Try this one and comment on your answer.